homemade chicken roast but Indian style. So now we will be going to Giant. Let me meet you there. Hi guys. Okay, so welcome back. We are at Giant. Okay, so
guys, we are in Giant right now. Going to the groceries area. See? Yeah. Let's go there. Now we are at the chicken corner. My mom's gonna be choosing the chicken. Yeah. We also got fresh chicken. My mom's cooking one. So I just gave my chicken to the butcher, and yeah, I'll wait until he finish cutting it, and I will show you guys the chicken, and then I will bring you guys to the seasoning area. Yeah, okay, I'm on the way to the seasoning section. Let's go. Found it. Okay, let me show you guys. Look at this. So I gotta pick one of the seasonings, and yeah, guys, I'm so sorry, the seasoning area, there wasn't any seasoning which I wanted. So basically now I'm going to show you all the chicken, which has been cut into 8 pieces or 6 pieces. So since there was only the chicken, I'll meet you all in the house. Bye.
I just came back home, had my shower, and let's ready to cook. So the ingredients we need for today's chicken roast will be here. And now I'll just show you the marinated chicken. Done, the chicken is marinated. So let me explain to you what ingredients did we use. First of all, 1 tablespoon of ginger and garlic paste. Second is chili powder, 2 teaspoons. Pepper, 2 teaspoons. Turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon. Half a teaspoon of oregano. A little of chicken seasoning. 1 teaspoon of mixed spice. And salt. Now let's go to roasting the chicken. Okay, so as you can see, we have aluminum foil here. But it's not a must for you to have an aluminum foil. You can still go with the ingredients and roast your chicken. Okay. Now let me don't worry, my hands are washed. Okay. Now we just pick up the chicken and place them. Oops. Okay, so now I basically love putting butter. So let's add some butter. This side, middle. Okay, basically, actually this is 1 tablespoon of butter. Little sprinkle of olive oil. And now your chicken is ready to be put in the oven. We are done here, let's put it in the oven. So let's put it in the oven now. Okay, so I'm putting it for 30 minutes, 200 degrees Celsius, and let's wait. Okay, so basically, as you can see, it is cooked, okay? But we're going to cook another 15 minutes. After the 30 minutes, we're going to cook another 15 minutes. Open the foil and put it back inside. Okay, I'll meet you guys after after 15 minutes. Okay guys, as you can see, after we put 15 minutes more, it's lovely. Skin is crisp and it looks lovely. So now we'll be plating it. I did a bowl of salad too to join with this dish. Okay, so let's go plating. Now we put a little of this. We'll bring it here. Just take some of this tomato and then place it on top. Okay, so now we'll be taking the chicken. Let's put another piece of chicken. This looks lovely. Okay, done. It's lovely. So I hope you all enjoyed the show. Okay, I hope you all do this at home and you all will enjoy the roasted chicken Indian style. Please try it at your home and give me comment down how was it. Thank you very much. Hope you enjoyed it. Please like, subscribe and share it with your friends. Thank you. Bye. See you in my next video. Guys, thank you very much for subscribing. I hope you all enjoyed my previous videos. My upcoming video, yeah, it'll be about pranks and challenges, so stay tuned for that. And in order to get notified once my new video is out, please press the bell icon. See you guys in my next video. Bye.